Welcome back to TechVibes. Have you ever wondered how you can fully unlock the potential of your Amazon FireStick in just a few minutes? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to jailbreak any FireStick model to access a hidden world of content. We are not just talking about a simple tweak here. I am going to guide you through accessing a custom app store that contains applications you simply cannot find in the official Amazon App Store. These apps are designed to provide you with a massive library of entertainment, including movies, TV shows, live television, and even major pay-per-view events. If you are ready to transform your streaming experience and learn how to navigate this hidden store, stay tuned because we are starting right now. To get started with the jailbreak process, we need to head over to the Amazon App Store to grab one essential tool. On your FireStick home screen, use your remote to navigate to the left until you highlight the magnifying glass icon. This will bring up the search interface and a keypad. We are looking for an application called Downloader. As you begin typing the name, you will likely see it appear in the suggestions list after just a few letters. Once you see Downloader on the list, scroll down to highlight it and click your center button. This takes you to the app's information page where you can initiate the download. Click the download button and wait. Once it is finished, do not open it yet. Instead, press the home button because we have some critical system settings to adjust first. Real quick, if you want to stay private, grab a NordVPN subscription using my special link in the description below. Now we need to dive into the FireStick settings to officially jailbreak the device by unlocking developer options. Navigate to the top left of your screen to the small icon that looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu and select Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the tile labeled My Fire TV and click into it. Now you should see an option called Developer Options. However, if this menu item is missing on your device, do not worry because it is easy to reveal. Simply click on the About section. While highlighting the name of your device, which might say Fire TV Stick or something similar, press the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. You will see a notification at the bottom of the screen that says you are now a developer. Now that you have unlocked these hidden settings, press the back button once to return to the My Fire TV menu. You will now see developer options listed. Click into it to proceed. The first thing you want to do is ensure that ADB debugging is turned on. Highlight it and click your center button to enable it. Next, move down to the option that says Install Unknown Apps. Here you will see a list of applications. Locate the Downloader app we just installed and click it to turn the status to On. This is a vital step because without this permission, the Downloader app will not be able to install the third-party software we need. Once you have confirmed that Downloader is enabled, press the Home button to return to your main interface. Next, we need to locate and launch the Downloader app. Go to your app's library, find the orange Downloader icon, and open it. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a main screen with a URL entry box. Use your remote to move the red circle cursor into the box and click to bring up the keypad. You will need to enter a specific website address to download our custom store manager. Carefully type in the URL for the unlinked application. Once the address is entered correctly, click the Next or Go button. The app will navigate to the site where you can find the download link. Scroll down the page until you see the download box for the unlinked app. Place your cursor on it and click. The download will start automatically. Once it finishes, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install the application. Select the Install option and wait for the process to wrap up. After it is installed, I recommend clicking Done instead of Open. This takes you back to the Downloader interface where you should choose the Delete option to remove the installation file. This helps keep your FireStick storage clean and free of unnecessary junk files. After deleting the file, press the Home button. We have one more quick setting to adjust to ensure our new app works perfectly. Go back into your FireStick settings, select My Fire TV, and enter developer options once more. Click on Install Unknown Apps, and you will now see Unlinked on the list. Just like we did with Downloader, click on Unlinked to turn its permission to On. This ensures that the custom app store has the power to install the movies and TV apps you choose. Now we are ready to explore the custom library. Go back to your apps and open the unlinked application. When the app opens, it will ask you to add a new library. Click the center button to bring up the keypad. You will need to enter a specific library code to access my personally curated app store. I have spent a significant amount of time gathering over 50 high-quality applications that offer everything from the latest movies and news to specialized sports and anime content. Once you enter the code and click Next, you will be welcomed into the store. Before you start browsing, make sure to read the important information message on the screen. After reading, click your center button to enter the main library interface. Inside the store, you can browse applications alphabetically, or use the folder icon to view them by category. You will find sections for movies, live TV, sports. You'll also find a great collection of official utility apps. To install an app, simply highlight it and click Download. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, the button will change to Install App. Click it, and then click Install again on the system prompt. One of the most important applications you will find in this store is a high-quality VPN. I strongly suggest installing a VPN like IPVanish because it helps you bypass any restrictions your internet service provider might have in place. Sometimes certain apps or streams might not load correctly because of network blocks, and a VPN is the simplest way to solve that problem while keeping your connection private. Once you have finished downloading the various entertainment apps you want to try, go back to your home screen. Before launching any of the new streaming apps, it is a best practice to turn on your VPN. Open the VPN app and log in with your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can easily sign up through their website, or by using the QR codes often found within the app's interface. After logging in, simply click the Connect button. Once the status shows as connected, usually indicated by a green light or a change in the interface, your entire FireStick connection is protected. Now you can press the home button and the VPN will remain active in the background. You are now free to open your new streaming applications and enjoy a massive variety of free movies and television shows. This setup provides a seamless and secure way to access a world of content that was previously hidden. If you find these tools helpful and the apps are working well for you, feel free to share this knowledge with others who might want to upgrade their home entertainment setup. Thank you for following along with this guide on TechVibes. Enjoy your newly jailbroken FireStick and all the content it now has to offer. I look forward to bringing you more tech tips and tutorials in the next video. Once you have finished downloading the various entertainment apps you want to try, go back to your home screen. Before launching any of the new streaming apps, it is a best practice to turn on your VPN. Open the VPN app and log in with your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can easily sign up through their website, or by using the QR codes often found within the app's interface. After logging in, simply click the Connect button. Once the status shows as connected, usually indicated by a green light or a change in the interface, your entire FireStick connection is protected. Now you can press the home button and the VPN will remain active in the background. You are now free to open your new streaming applications and enjoy a massive variety of free movies and television shows. This setup provides a seamless and secure way to access a world of content that was previously hidden. If you find these tools helpful and the apps are working well for you, feel free to share this knowledge with others who might want to upgrade their home entertainment setup. Thank you for following along with this guide on TechVibes. Enjoy your newly jailbroken FireStick and all the content it now has to offer. I look forward to bringing you more tech tips and tutorials in the next video.